This is a 2008 Nissan Sentra. This four-door sedan has a continuously variable transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Features include a moonroof, Bluetooth cell phone integration, keyless ignition, a multi-disc CD player, leather seats, front fog lights, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 59,000 miles. This Nissan has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering Grubbs Nissan for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 310 Airport Freeway in Bedford.